How to join WhatsApp channel with a link. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to join a WhatsApp channel through a link. So for that you have to open your WhatsApp account, and after that just click on the chat where you have received a WhatsApp link. For example, I have received this particular WhatsApp channel link on my chat. So all you have to do in order to join this particular WhatsApp channel, you have to click on the blue link, or you can, before joining the group, you can also see the channel while clicking on view channel, and it will take you to the channel where you can join it while clicking on channel link. Then just go ahead and click on the link, and as you can see that you have joined this particular channel while clicking on the link that has been sent to you on your chat. So this is how simple it is to join a WhatsApp channel through a link. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.